Dan Willis here, and we're talking about credit cards to rebuild credit and the four types available in our brave new economy. So the first type is unsecured credit cards. These are traditional standard credit cards where you are issued a credit card with a credit limit based on the promise that you'll repay and make monthly payments. Generally speaking, the lower your credit score, the higher the interest rate, the higher the fees. And this is the most and the best type of credit card to help to build your credit because you're just being extended and lent money on the promise to repay. However, due to some new legislation as of a few years ago, these are much more difficult to get for people with less than perfect credit. And if that's your situation, a secured credit card is a much more affordable and fee-friendly option, really, because what this is going to require you to do, it'll be issued as a major Visa or MasterCard, but you'll have to make a deposit at the bank that'll secure your account. And what you want is a fully secured credit card. And do check just to make sure, but you need to have your account reported every single month to all three of the major credit bureaus in order to build credit with responsible use. One thing when it comes to secured credit cards specifically, there's a newer type. They call it a partially secured credit card. Please, we've yet to see a good partially secured credit card. This is a smaller deposit that you'll have to put down, but it charges like sky high interest rates. One we were looking at not too long ago had a 36% APR. Go with a fully secured credit card and pay a much lower APR. That's the other thing about fully secured, is because that money, that account, the card is secure with your deposit, there are some lower fees. It's a lot less of a risk for the credit card company. The third type is prepaid debit cards. These will not build your credit, please. This is much more like a check card with your bank. If you can't get access to a major Visa or MasterCard, then that would be the way to go, but it won't build your credit. And the fourth type, and these are the predators here with the fourth type, is the catalog merchandise or shopping credit card. These will often be advertised with guaranteed approval, $500 credit limit, but these aren't real credit cards. You can only use them at one location, and that's usually online or through a catalog, hence the catalog credit card. It's really, please avoid these like the plague. We've yet to hear anybody say anything good about a catalog merchandise shopping credit card, so please be wary of those. And if you're committed to rebuilding your credit, the big key here is to have responsible use with an account that's being reported. We also want to have available unused credit. That'll help your utilization ratio when your credit score is calculated. And the big key there is just to have available credit. Generally speaking, they say to keep your monthly balance at about a third of your credit limit, $1,000, about $300 for monthly balance. The other important thing is this is going to build credit, but we also need to remove the negative, bad, derogatory items because that's what drags credit scores down. So it's a two-pronged approach. If you'd like a free, no obligation credit consultation, you can call toll-free 1-855-655-9869. Again, that's for a free, no obligation credit consultation. The toll-free phone number is 1-855-655-9869. This is Dan Willis. Please subscribe and join our congregation. Please visit the link in the description below for some more tips about all this stuff and for some more, including a free report we have available at our website, the 7 super simple steps to clean credit. Please have a fantastic day and looking forward to talking to you again here soon.